What's the meaning of customarily? Customarily. Customarily.
Customarily. Customarily. Customarily means in a way that is usual, typical, or traditional. It's an adverb that describes how something is done according to established practices or customs. For example, if you customarily have tea and biscuits at 4 p.m., it means that you usually have that as part of your daily routine. The word customarily implies a sense of expectation and predictability. It's often used to describe habits, routines, or rituals that are common within a particular culture or community. Its usage indicates a pattern of behavior that has been established over time and is likely to continue in the future.